So machining is one thing, conventional everybody knows. Machining involves a cutting tool, workpiece. One cutting tool moves and it will remove the unwanted material in the form of chip. That is the conventional understanding of machining. But if you have additionally laser in it, let's say laser heating is there. So I just shown laser as a dot here. So imagine if laser in front of your tool is hitting the workpiece and it's moving with the same velocity as the cutting tool is moving. Let's say laser is moving in this direction, your cutting tool is also moving in this direction with same velocity. What will happen? The laser heat source will heat the surface of the workpiece and this heat will conduct inside the workpiece up to some depth. So certain depth of the workpiece will heat up. The temperature will increase. And that will cause a very simple physical phenomenon that everybody knows, that is thermal softening. So most of the metals or most of the materials, I can generalize it, except few polymers. So generally, when we heat up, the material gets softened. And exactly that will happen here. So laser is a concentrated heat source. So locally, high amount of heat will be generated, and due to material conduction and convection, it will slightly spread also. So some amount of width and depth of the workpiece get thermally softened, and exactly that thermal softened layer will remove. Let's say this is the thermal softened layer after laser heating. So that thermally softened layer will remove with the cutting tool. So what is basic understanding? Compared to hard surface, now cutting tool is going to remove the softer part. So definitely the cutting force requirement will go down. And the cutting force requirement will go down means the cutting tool experiences lower cutting forces. That will finally economical advantage is that the cutting tool wear will reduce. The cutting tool will last, means it will give more tool life. The more correct word is the tool life. So it will improve tool life. At the same time, due to lower cutting forces, your surface finish will be better. Your process will be much smoother, and you do not require very high rigid machine tool and the very rigid fixtures and clamps. So there are many advantages we are getting with the laser assistance. That's why the focus of this session is understanding of laser heating, and with the laser heating, understanding of thermal softening.